Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add cross-platform friends in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. Before you do anything, I would recommend you to go to settings first in order to confirm if the crossplay is turned on or not. So in the crossplay tab, you should be able to see the option crossplay, and here you need to keep crossplay on because only then you'll be able to add your cross-platform friends. Now, once you're sure about crossplay, the next thing you need to do is to simply press the R3 key on your controller or simply press right stick down, then EA Connect window will open. Right here, simply go to player search tab, and here you need to basically search for the EA ID of your friend. Like you can see on the right hand side, this is my EA ID. So you need to enter the EA ID of your friend whom you would like to invite or whom you would like to add on your game. Now once you search for his ID, you need to open the other platforms drop down. Here you will able to find his ID. Simply send him the friend request. Now if you go to friend request tab, he'll able to see the request. Once he accepts the request, he'll be added right here in friends list, and you'll able to basically play with him. Or that's how you'll able to add cross-platform friends in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.